Hi everyone, this is CMA Pradeep Dhyani, your teacher, your mentor. So guys, in this video, we will discuss about the study plan of CMA Inter Financial Accounting paper number 5. Yes guys, in this video, I will tell about the easy method to study, how you can study for June 2021 exam. So guys, and in this video, I will also tell about the how you get the 60 plus mark in financial accounting. Yes, in financial accounting, it is easy to get 60 plus mark. So guys, yes, this video is also applicable for December 2021 student. June 2021 student can prefer this video, and December student can also prefer. So guys, let's come to the portion mark distribution. So guys, we have four section: section A, section B, section C, section D. So guys, if you follow this strategy, I will ensure that you will get 60 plus in financial accounting. Financial accounting is easy to get 60 plus mark. So guys, in section 1, I want to ensure that first you will start section number C. Guys, section number C is a small portion, very small, and it is a 20 mark. And in as you know that we have to attempt 100 mark, but there is a 30 mark optional. So guys, sometime this 20 will become 30 also. So if you have a good command over section number C, self balancing ledger, royalties, hire purchase, installment, branch and department account, these are small chapters. No need, there is no need to take and worry on this chapter. So guys, this is a 20 mark as per distribution, as per study material. But we have when we cover the optional, sometime it will cover to 30 mark. So guys, this is a yes, I will say that section C you should prefer first. Then you need to come to section D. So guys, section D is a 15 mark. In optional, it will be a 25 mark sometime in the exam. So guys, it is a theoretical overview of computerized accounting. It is a theoretical portion, and accounting standard. Yes, little bit portion of accounting standard. So guys, first I would like to suggest section C, then section D, then you need to come to section A. So guys, fundamental of accounting, we have already studied a lot of things in fundamental of accounting. Yes, accounting of special transaction, we need to study in CMA Inter in extra curriculum. So guys, and section B, what section B is a 40 mark. So guys, I will suggest that section B, we have a partnership account. So it is my humble request, and it is my personal opinion. If you want, you can leave partnership whole chapter. Guys, partnership is a big chapter: admission, dissolution, death of a partner, admission of a partner. Lot of time it will take, and it will around 50 mark to 20 mark in exam. But you know that we have 130 mark, 30 mark in optional. If we leave partnership account, nothing will happen with us. We can cover the extra. So guys, we need to, if we are leaving the partnership account, so the time which will save after leaving the partnership account, we can spend on other topic. So guys, please, it is my humble request, if you want partnership account, I have followed the strategy in CMA Inter. I leave the partnership account, guys, and believe me, I have covered my 100 mark. I have covered my 100% syllabus in exam and study as well. So guys, I will request that if you permit me, then I can say that yes, you can leave partnership chapter. Guys, it will take your 1 month. First of all, you need to complete 1 month for completing the whole partnership account, and in revision also it will take 15 days. So guys, why you are wasting 45 days for a 20 mark? So guys, focus on the remaining portion, command over remaining portion, and spend the extra time in other subject. So guys, it is my humble request, you can leave partnership account. Nothing will happen in exam, because you know that 30 marks we have an extra portion, 130 mark, we have a 130 mark paper in question paper. So guys, let's come to the chapter wise. In fundamental of accounting, in fundamental of accounting, we have generally we have already studied like rectification of error. This is important. Rectification of error is important. In first, you can do accounting concept and convention, you have already studied. So guys, rectification error is important. Accounting for special transaction, preparation of financial statement, NPO, you have studied in BCom. Yes, NPO will good, but incomplete record you have studied. Partnership, look at guys, admission, retirement, death, dissolution, insolvency. It will take 1 month to complete partnership, and then 15 days to revision. So it is my humble request, leave this partnership chapter and focus on the remaining portion of financial accounting. Yes, guys, self balancing ledger, very easy topic. YouTube, in YouTube, you will get the whole videos available: royalties, installment system, hire purchase, branch and department. Then portion, there is a portion of theory. Yes, you can do computerized accounting system and accounting standard. Yes, guys, AS1, AS2, AS7, AS9, AS10, and AS9 is important. AS7 and AS9 is very important. AS7, AS9 is important. Then you can refer AS1, AS9, the important AS9, AS7, AS1. And this is a simple portion, guys. Computerized accounting system. One day, finish this, and you will cover 10 mark theoretical. Do not leave this chapter, guys. This is a free marks for you guys. Okay, guys. So in financial accounting, conclusion is that you can leave partnership account if you want, because it will take too much time to complete partnership account first of all. Then in revise, it will take also some time. So leave this chapter and focus on the remaining portion, because we have a 130 mark. So guys, if we are leaving 20 mark partnership account, then I'm ensuring that you will cover your 100 mark paper, and you will complete 100 mark in your exam and got 60 plus mark in the exam. So guys, this is the strategy. I am concluding the video. Yes, you can leave a partnership and focus on those now, on those remaining portion. Yes, guys, I will say that self balancing ledger is important, royalties is important, hire purchase and installment system is important, branch and department account is an important. So guys, and AS, I have said that AS9, AS7, AS1 is important. AS9, one of the most important, AS9, then AS7, then AS1. So guys, yes, and computerized accounting is simple. You can do 1 or 2 days spend and complete the 10 mark. So guys, hope you like this video, and yes, I will come up the 8 paper of CMA Inter one by one, paper 5 to paper 12. Guys, this kind of study, what is the important chapter, what is the important topic, we can leave the topic. I will not believe on leaving any topic, but in professional exam, you need to be a choosy one. Guys, you need to maintain the strategy. Why for 20 mark you will spend 1 hour for completing the partnership, and then after revising you will spend 50 mark for revision. So guys, if you know that we have 30 mark paper, and yes, in optional we can manage, so then focus on the remaining chapters na. Have a good command over the remaining. So guys, yes, paper number 5 to paper number 12, I will come up the strategies, which is the important topic, whose topic we can leave, or we need to focus on more focus on those particular subject, those particular chapters. Yes, guys, I will come up. So I am ending this video. Still, if you have any doubt, so you can comment me. Surely I will try to help you, and I will come up with such kind of videos related with other remaining your remaining paper subjects. So guys, thank you so much, guys. Bye, guys.